Hello students, today we are going to see experiment 5B of 18 CSL 37 Analog and Digital Electronics Lab. It's 8:1 multiplexer simulation. The aim is write the VHDL code for an 8:1 multiplexer and simulate and verify its working. The components required are system and ISE Design Suite 14.7 software. This is a block diagram of multiplexer. In 8:1 multiplexer, we have 8 inputs, 3 selection inputs, and 8 data inputs, 3 selection input, and 1 output. Here we have 8 data inputs. All these are I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. I0 to I7 are 8 inputs of multiplexer. Then 3 selection inputs. 3 selection inputs are S0, S1, S2, and we have only one output. Okay. Truth table. Actually, the logic behind this multiplexer is any one of the input will be steered to the output side using the selection inputs. So selection inputs are used to select any one of the input data to the output side. Okay. See the selection inputs. If the selection inputs are 0, 0, 0, then I0 will be selected. I0 will be steered to the output side. If I0 is 0, 0 is our multiplexer output. If I0 is 1, 1 is the multiplexer output. Then we'll take 0, 1, 1. If selection inputs are 0, 1, 1, I3 will be selected for the output. If I3 is 0, 0 is the multiplexer output. If I3 is 1, 1 is the multiplexer output. Okay, now we are going to write VHDL code for the same. First, entity max1 is the entity name. Port, inside the port we have to write our inputs and outputs. Okay, inputs we have two inputs, data input and selection inputs. First I is data input. We have I0 to I7, so that should be written using this down to keyword. Okay, so 7 down to 0 you have to write. It means I0 to I7 are the data inputs. Then we have select, we have 3 inputs, select 0, select 1, select 2. So you have to write 2 down to 0. Okay, then we have only one output, that is written as Z out. So these are in logic vector, this is out logic vector. Then we are ending the entity body. Then architecture body, begin Z out. Multiplexer output is I0 whenever the selection inputs are 0, 0, 0. Else it is I1 whenever the selection inputs are 0, 0, 1. Else I2 whenever selection inputs are 0, 1, 0. I3 if selection inputs are 0, 1, 1. I4 selection inputs are 1, 0, 0. I5 if selection inputs are 1, 0, 1. I6 if selection inputs are 1, 1, 0. Else I7. Okay. Now we'll see the simulation of 8:1 multiplexer. I am taking new project. I am giving mux finish. Okay, right click on that, new source, VHDL module, mux. Okay, now here I will give my inputs and outputs, right? So input I have two types. First one is I. Then I have not one I. I have actually 8 eyes. No, so I should click this bus. Then 7. MSB is 7. LSB is 0. 0 to 7. Okay. Then second input is select. Here also I have bus. I should give 0. So 0 to 2. Then out is set out. Next. Okay, see the entity. Max is my name. Entity name. I select set out. All 0 to 7, 0 to 2 are my selection inputs. Then only one output. Okay, then I'll write my architecture body. Begin Z out equal to I0 when so same thing, I'll complete the program. I completed the program. Output is equal to I naught when selection inputs are 000, I1 when it is 001, I2 if it's 010, like that. That is not, it is I7. Okay. So after typing the program, I will save the program. Then I should check for syntax error. Okay, I got tick, so I can move to simulation. Simulation, click on this, then click on this iSim simulator, double click on simulate behavioral port. Oh, okay, you can see here I is from 0 to 7, select is from 0 to 2, only one output. I am going to give my data inputs. See, I am giving 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Then selection inputs I am giving 0 1 1. Okay, I am running it. You can check. I0 to 7 are 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. My selection input is 0 1 1. 0 1 1 means I2 will be selected. In I2 we have, this is I0. 0 1 1 means I3 will be selected, no? So I3 we can check. This is I0, this is I1, this is I2, I3. In I3 I have 1. I have 1. So this 1 will be the output. You can check here, output is 1. Here also you can check the waveform. 1 0 1 0 1 0 is the input, 0 1 1 is the selection input, 0 1 1 means I3 will be selected. In I3 I have 1. So this 1 I will get in the output. So this is 1. Okay. One more value I will check. 0 0 0 only I will take. In 0 0 0 0 0 0 means I0 will be selected. In I0 I have 0, so this 0 I should get in Z out, and here also it should be 0. So I am going to change this as 000. Okay. I am running it. It became 0. 000 means I0. In I0 I have 0, so 0 will be the output. This also changed. 000, it's 0. Okay, so this is the simulation of 80-stone multiplexer. Thank you.